You are watching IndiaNewsTamil.com. are very, very excited to be a part of McQueenstown. We are very thankful to Darren and Nishant, who's always standing to make something, to make the women look more beautiful. We're going to have a lot of facilities provided here. We have a very, very luxurious setup and a very affordable price. So we want all of you all to try it out. What is the price? We're going to start with 200 rupees for a haircut. And we're going to have lots of offers and lots of deals. So we can just want even a normal person or everybody can come in here and try us out first. And there'll be a Google review where you can give your reviews about the place. So we can make it more, we can have more branches and more franchises coming up very soon. We are going to start at, I think, by 9:30. From 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 in the evening. And depends on if people want it earlier, later, we'll try to adjust.
A lot of salons are there.
Mm-hmm.
What differentiates between others and yours luxurious?
It's going to be luxurious at an affordable rate.
Other than hair,
we're going to have lots of things. We're going to have keratin care for the hair, which is going to be more economic and lovely nail art. We're going to have some nice gel paintings for the nails and something new all the time. When we get something new in the market, it's going to be here very soon.
Women, they like bridal makeup also.
Mm-hmm. That also, yeah. And right now we're going to start with the salon, but as time goes, depends on the market, we will make sure that we have bridal makeups as well as wedding necessities or whatever required. We'll make changes as per the required.
We are excited to have a partnership with Darren, and in coming months we would open many more Queenstown in another 3-4 months time.
Ellarkum vanakkam, very good evening. As excited I get, I want to thank Nishant and Hiral ma'am and of course the dad for the support that they've given me from day one. Wanting to launch McQueenstown as it was a dream for me, and finally we are here. As you guys itself know it, how many times you have asked me for McQueenstown. We are here and I'm sure you're going to spread the news across. As I always thank the press first thing for supporting us. And I want to thank my vendors who have come on board with us, especially Matrix. Then we have Alga, we have Kenpecky, we have Cheryl's, and we have Kedio, a couple of other big brands that is tied up with us. Our salon operation times would be from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., working all 7 days a week. And we look forward to the great pampering for the ladies out here on a very, very luxury setup at affordable cost. Our pedicure will be the killer, I think, in and around the area, which nobody has have this kind of a setup that we have introduced first time in Chennai. And we look forward to grow this brand as much as we're doing with Mckingstown. We look McQueenstown to grow faster than Mckingstown now. That's the target that we have. And I'm sure we would head there, and that's what we want to do. I want to thank all you guys once again, and thank you Nishant sir and Hiral ma'am for the support that you've given us. It really means a lot, and we look forward to continue to grow together with everybody. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe to IndiaNewsTamil.com.